People ask me every single day, do I post on my own social media or do I have a bunch of AI clones that do everything for me? Anna, were you looking for me? Oh, no, that's okay. I don't need you. Anna, is there something that I can help you with? Oh, no, thanks. I got it. See, I don't need any AI clones. I use Repurpose. Take a look at this video. Here's what I love about Repurpose. I can simply come in here and create a workflow. It takes minutes to do it. All I do is create workflow. I choose which platform. I can choose any of these platforms. Let's say I want to choose Instagram, pick which Instagram account, whether I want Reels or Stories, and then decide where I want to post it to. I can then post it to another Instagram account if I want to. Once I set it, then all you do is hit create workflow. You can do this over and over and over for multiple channels, different workflows. Once you set it, you can just forget it, and you're going to see that you're going to have tons of growth every single day. I am so happy to be a part of this program.